How to add background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram story. If you love sharing your feed post to your Instagram stories but want to make it a little more fun by adding a background photo, I've got the perfect trick for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that in both your iPhone and Android, so let's dive right in. First, let's open Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to your profile and tap on the post that you want to share to your story. Tap on the paper plane icon and simply tap on add to story. Now that you have your feed and post, simply tap on the picture to get this kind of layout. Once you've done that, what you need to do is take a screenshot of it and simply crop the picture. Once you've cropped the picture, simply tap on done. Now once you've done that, what you need to do is simply zoom out the post so that when you try to click on it or when anyone tries to click on it, it will open the link. So if you've done that, simply tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen, and if from here simply tap on photos and it will open your gallery. Simply choose your background image. Once you found your background image, simply zoom it or place it wherever you want. After you've done that, simply add another picture and that will be our screenshot. And as you can see here, you've just learned how to add a background photo when sharing a feed post to your Instagram story.